Everyone, hello everyone, how are you guys doing? How to use salt bath to attract everything. How to use salt bath to attract everything. How to use salt bath to attract everything. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. This is New Life with Precious. I am back with another beautiful video about how to use salt bath to attract everything. If you are new on my channel, I welcome you to my channel. Remember to like, comment and share my video. Okay? I love you all. So today I'm going to be talking about salt bath. A regular spiritual bath is very essential. In fact, it's an important act because you go out every day, you meet people every day, you have conversations with people, and in all of this, there are bad and there are good energies that we pick up each time we do this. Okay? There are good energies and there are bad energies. Okay? That's why you need a regular spiritual bath, which I call a regular cleansing. You know? What does this do? It helps you take away negativity from your life, and it will help you attract good things into your life. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the use of salt bath to attract everything. We're going to talk about its importance and how you can carry out a simple spiritual salt bath in order to fast track things into your life and take away bad energy. So if this sounds like something that you'll be interested in, if it sounds like something you will want, then let's get right into the video. Okay, so welcome back again, my people. I really love you so much. In fact, you're so wonderful, and I'm not taking your love for me for granted. Thank you so much. So consider subscribing to my channel. If you've been watching my videos for some time but you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get right into the video. Make sure you pay close attention to this video so that you get all the instructions in the video. You know, I've made some videos. Just go right to my channel right now and watch all the videos. I've made videos about how to make quick money with sea salt. Okay, there are tons of videos about charcoal, black charcoal miracle. Okay, there are videos about onions. The title says you will buy a bag of onions after watching this video. Those videos are very fantastic. They are very helpful and they're very spiritual. Okay, go right ahead after this video and watch them all. Okay, so let's get right into this video. Today's video is about how to use salt bath to attract everything. Okay, if you go into the Bible or the Quran, you will see countless of situations where the kings, the prophets used salt to cleanse water. You know, whether the problem in that land is barrenness, is about death, is about illness, those kings and prophets use water to solve the problem. So it is recommended by her to do spiritual salt bath. In fact, a lot of people are using it. You know, They're using it, and there are countless testimonies that people are sharing. God has been faithful, through the use of this spiritual salt bath. Okay, and it's been working. It works 100%. I'm a living testimony myself. It works 100%. Okay, so how do you do salt bath? All you have to do is just get your salt. This is salt right here. Okay, so all you have to do is just get maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of salt, put in your bath water. Okay, so while you do this, you have to say your prayer. Okay, say your prayer, whatever you want to attract into your life. Tell God, because when you say your prayer, is a way of energizing the salt, is a way of adding power to the salt. And when you say this, you don't just use salt and water. You have to pray. Okay, you have to energize it. You have to renew the power. Okay, so when you pray, you're asking God for things that you want, and you're also telling God what you don't want. Alright, so whatever it is, whether you're experiencing witchcraft, whether you are experiencing financial difficulty, you are experiencing lack of progress, whatever the problem is, just tell God why you're doing this. Okay, so then you have to take that water, then you have to pour it from your head, pour it on your body, just bath with it. Okay, so before you use the salt water, okay, you have to take a normal bath. You can use soap and sponge and everything, bath. Then after that, you have to do a salt bath. You have to use the salt water to bath. But that one, you're not going to use any soap. You're not going to use any sponge for it. You just bath naturally. And you're not going to use a towel. You will not dry your body. You let the water dry on you. Okay, so go ahead and do this. You can do this for 3 days. You can do this for 7 days. Okay, you can do this once every month. You can do this once every week. You can do this as you want. Just go right ahead and do salt bath. In fact, you're going to be surprised. You are actually coming back to share your testimony on my channel. Okay, so salt bath itself has a lot of benefit, a lot of spiritual benefit to it. Just go right ahead and try this. Okay, so that's how you do salt bath. Use salt bath to attract everything. Okay, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Don't just watch this video alone. Share it with other people. Share it far and wide. Share the video on your social media handles. Okay, and as you do so, God will bless you abundantly. Okay, so remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get my videos anytime I upload my videos. Alright, until then, I will see you in my next video, and until then, I leave you in the hands of God. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.